The movement's been running about a day and I haven't seen any problems. I checked it out. I can't imagine it wouldn't run a full 8 days because of that wide pendulum swing, and the escape wheel is making some nice slapping sounds against the pallets. All indications is it's running perfectly. You have to be sure that when you wind this clock, you wind it all the way up until it's snug. When we received it, the both sides were wound all the way down. Another thing about this one, this is a high quality movement, and it has Geneva stops here and here. The purpose of these is that you when you wind it all the way, these stops will prevent the spring from being extremely tight, and then as it runs down, these two gears interact, and one of these gears, this one right here, is a little bit longer than the others, and as it goes around and round and round, it will hit up against this, where this slot is shorter than the others. So in other words, when you wind it all the way up, you still have a little bit of looseness up here, but it automatically deducts that, and it keeps your spring lasting longer. Now when it winds down, it won't wind down where the springs are like expanded way out, and that also saves your spring, as well as the spring doesn't get entangled up in these wheels here and maybe bend some teeth or whatever. So when it winds down, when you look at it, you'll think that it's wound up some, but the Geneva stop has stopped it from unwinding anymore. So I'm just guessing, because everything is going so well, I'm just guessing that it wasn't wound completely up if it didn't last the whole 8 days. Another reason that clocks sometimes don't go the whole 8 days is they're out of beat. This one's in beat. You can hear it, it's ticking evenly. If it ticks like this, sounds sort of like a heartbeat, it'll eventually stop and won't run the entire 8 days. So it's important that the clock ticks evenly like this.